now I'm talking about my part. My part is about CBB model in the context of warehouse. So first of all, CBE model, which is focused on the relationship and identification level for a brand process used by the customer. CBE model have four different phases. So first of all, I will talk about the brand identity. So in this first of all, customers should know about your brand identity. Here, warehouse need to focus on their identity, how that their customers came in their mind about their identity. So they should have a clear identity with a specific products or a specific definition, so that customers know about their identity. And the second one is meaning, and about the meaning of. So here the goal is to identify the meaning of the warehouse group in the mind of customers. In meaning there are two types, like performance and imaginary. What are the performance of warehouse, and what the image of warehouse in the mind of people, so that by this they clear the meaning of warehouse. And the other is brand response. In brand response there are two parts, like judgment and feeling. How people judge the warehouse, and what are their feelings about the warehouse. So it is the mixture of judgment and feeling, because feeling are something related to their sometimes emotional, and they also judge the warehouse by the quality, by their services, and the other products which are they providing to the people in a cheap rate as compared to other ones. And the last one is brand relationship. Brand relationship is the one of the most important factor in that pyramid, because it is a mixture of all identity, meaning and response. It is also work like a bridge. It works as a relationship between the warehouse and the customers. The second is brand equity sources. Brand equity sources is the value and power of the brand that determines its worth. So there are many brand sources that are used by the warehouse, like customer towards marketing activities in past years. So here customers see that what the warehouse does for that in their past 5 years or in past 10 years, so that they also check that they are working according to their demands. And the second one is overall responsibility of customers towards marketing activities. There are some different types of responsibilities for both sides, from warehouse as well as public as well as customers. So this also included in marketing activities. And the image of brand. Image of brand, we can say that how customers see the warehouse in their mind, and responsible to associate with the mind of customers is the other brand equity sources of the warehouse group. And these are the brand equity sources, like loyalty, preference, availability, image and personality. These are all the factors of brand equity sources. Now this is the brand building blocks. There are different types of blocks. Like first of all, there is salience. It is in the present era a brand of the warehouse group. Consumer electronics effective to achieve right positioning in the mind of customers, along with creating silence towards the customers. And the performance and imaginary. In performance, the brand is related to products which are provided by the warehouse to the public. What are their performances related to that products? And in imaginary, we can say that, like every people are expected some good facilities from the warehouse, and with that facilities, if warehouse is able to fulfill that facilities, that their image, the warehouse image is going good in the mind of customers. So about the feeling and judgment, the overall judgment of brand is highly focused on personally evaluation. So this may be responsible for the determination of behavior of the people, because there are numerous different numbers of behavior in different people. So everyone have different feeling in their mind for warehouse group. And if we talk about the judgment, judgment is related to feeling. With that same feeling, they can judge on their own basis for the warehouse group. And the last one is response. This is the last step of the CBBE model, and which is focused on the relationship and identification level of a brand process, which is used by the customers. Implication of CBE model for building brand. So here the warehouse group is using the model. Warehouse group is using the CBE model in terms of improving the brand image within the mind of customers. So here warehouse is doing lots of efforts to improve their image in the customer's mind. They do lot of efforts and providing a numerous number of services so that they improve their image in the mind of customers, so that customers stay in touch with them. And it mainly improve the engagement of employee, attitudinal attachment, community sense, active engagement, and many others. And if we continue, the process of awareness towards a brand is effective for their customers to analyze the decision making process. So as the level of awareness is increasing in the customer mind, so the that will also help able to make the brand more likely, so that the brand within the warehouse group response to become effective and hold more strength to be should be associated with the brand within the warehouse group response to become more and effective set and hold strength associated with the brand. So that's from my part. Thank you.